Hello, very quick unboxing. This time it's for the Dark Power Pro 12 power supply from Be Quiet. This is the 1200 watt version. It comes in a pretty big box with a bit of weight to it. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. I have to stand it up to take the slip cover off. Quite nice. Right, so let's see what we've got here. It's a box. There's a box within a box. So let's see if I can lift that out, which I can. So there's the box within a box, and then that here is the actual power supply, which it's difficult to get a grip on, and that's that. So we'll get the, goodness me, we'll get the main box out of the way. Somebody say that's excessive. That's the actual power supply itself. So let's have a quick look at that. Nice grill on there. Sort of brushed aluminium surround. Got the little plastic protection on there, which is a bit nice. And that's the rear of it. And there's the side of it. What you're not getting is the smell. It's got this really nice new electronics smell. That's the end of it. I'll just hold that there a bit closer so you can see. So there's all sorts of different connectors on there. It's fully modular. So I'll move that out of the way and we'll look at the box within a box, which is this one. That's yeah, that's a pretty funky box, that is. Manual, multilingual, mainly safety, and a few other little bits and bobs, but not a great deal of help. All of it's for compliance, isn't it? Mains power supply, quite a long one by the look of it. 2-pin one. Bag of bits. Let's look at the bag of bits first. That's a massive collection of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sort of Velcro cable ties, all Be Quiet branded. There are a couple of standard cable ties. I've got 5 of those. There's the big chunky thumb screws. There's some other little screws. There's a great big bag of combs, so you can make the cables look nice. An overclocking switch. So yes, pretty amazing. Move all this stuff out of the way, because now we're going to be looking at the business end of things, which will be the cables, and they're in here. Bit unnecessary. Oh god, there's thousands of them. SATA, floppy Molex thing, Molex, SATA, more SATA. There's different sorts of SATA. As I've got 3, no, yeah, they've got 3 on. Here's we've got 4 on. More SATA. That's got 4 on it. So not much number of SATAs, you get enough of those. There's another Molex one. That's Molex with the floppy adapter. Wouldn't like that one. It's Molex, but it's obviously to go on the Molex, so you get a floppy, just in case you need to power something with that. And then that one is a mixture of SATA and Molex. And oh, main cables. Right, good. I'll just shove those out of the way. Desiccant, not sweets. That is PCI Express. It's a 6+2 double cable. That's also PCI Express, another 6+2 double cable. That's CPU 8-pin connector. That's your main ATX connector. Another CPU 4-pin. Oh well, yeah, double 4-pin, so it's 8-pin, so you can pull that apart. Let's look at the other one to see if you can do that with that one as well. Not sure where to put it now. Yeah, that one's solid, so that's an 8-pin, and that one is 2 4s, so it comes apart for the CPU. That is another PCI Express, 2 6+2s. That's another PCI Express, so we're not messing about with the PCI Express. And oh, they're definitely not messing around with PCI. There's another one. Wow. So you've got one PCI Express, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PCI Express cables, which should be enough. And that's your main ATX one. And then you've got 2 processor ones, and it's and a desiccant, and that's main cables. And you get your various SATA, Molex and floppy ones as well. This is where I find I can't get it all back in again. So yes, it's there's a reason it costs 300 quid or whatever it was, 384 I think it was. There's a reason it costs that. It's because it's pretty much the pinnacle of power supply extravagance. Yeah, so if you've got any questions about that, then obviously stick them in the comments, and if you've got any comments, stick them in as well. That will obviously require a bit of investigation as to why that's in there, but it's yeah, pretty phenomenal, pretty incredible bit of kit. Yeah, liking and subscribing is appreciated, and as ever, thanks for watching.